Tropics, we are watching Fiona as it bears down on Puerto Rico. The forecast actually has it sliding a little farther south, but still on the brunt of it, heavy downpours and, of course, some gusty winds for them. Hispaniola may get, unfortunately, flash flooding and torrential rain. Then it heads into the Bahamas. Now, the million-dollar question doesn't move away from the eastern United States. Right now, the European model is getting it closer and closer to the East Coast, mostly towards the Carolinas. We'll be watching this, and by that point, we're talking about a week from Monday, and a major hurricane. So that's something we'll watch. That's just one model run. Other models do keep it away from the United States. And even the Canadian model keeps it from the United States, which is the one that was bringing into the Gulf of Mexico. We'll talk more about that on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. But let's get you out the door this morning. Very comfortable start. Low 60s. We'll be in the low 80s at noontime. Sunshine dominating the day. Winds won't be quite as brisk today, and we'll top off in the mid to upper 80s. This evening, gorgeous. Warm to mild, 81 to 72. No worries with these high school football games tonight. Mild 66 as we wake up on Saturday. So we've got an old frontal boundary kind of laying up there across Florida, weakening just a bit with high pressure off to our north and east. We're going to kick up the winds just a little bit as we tighten the pressure gradient between that front and a kind of a developing low down in Florida too. That'll bring more of a northeasterly wind, and we will see temperatures seasonable in the afternoon and mild in the mornings. So beautiful stretch of weather this upcoming weekend. However, what's coming next week is the heat, a dry heat, not a humid heat. And so we're going to see a huge range in temperatures as we go into our Tuesday. But let's get you through the weekend. 66 and 88, sunshine. Sunday, 66 and 89 with that sunshine. Keeping it with tons of sun, 65 to 91 on Monday and 64 to 94. There's that big gap in temperatures. When you see that, that air is super dry, and it's only going to get hotter before it gets cooler. So join us on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. We'll take a look at those skyrocketing afternoon temperatures. We'll see you then.